messed up. Like, how'd you even do that?
That's not allowed anymore.
How'd you even do that?
Yeah.
That's not allowed anymore.
Oh yeah, it says you guys have mushroomed the portal. Oh yeah, it says you guys have mushroomed the portal.
And I think there's one over here.
Alright, destroy this one. I got one, get the other one. Oh, you found a bastion.
We got the other one.
A Sebastian.
Alright.
Ooh, okay.
Alright.
Hey, Ben, how many of these do you have? Do you have any?
I have a couple.
Oh, this guy's beefy. Oh, he disables your shield. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
And then he dies. To the Bruce.
No, I'm getting some. I'm getting more.
Dream prolic.
Oh. Oh. No way.
Hello everyone to the stream. I updated the stream a bit. My audio should be a bit better. It should be higher because I looked at the VODs and it was kind of quiet. Yeah, we're just waiting for Aura right now. This is round A. Aura needs to join, so we're just waiting for him right now. Oh, I have to reinvite. Alright, here we are. We are ready. Let's go, gamers. Oh my god! Sorry. I laughed so fucking hard. Holy shit. I gotta lower my OBS volume after that. Holy shit. Yeah, Carrot, he is playing. Yeah. Julian, best circle clicker. Ooh, Julian banning Hard Rock 1. Alright, we're waiting for Aura to ban. Hidden 2. Okay. Put the bans. I think I did that right. Yeah, I did that right. Alright. Alrighty. No Mothery. Alright, good luck, guys. We also played this map last time. Alright, here we go. Also, my mom gave me one, so sorry if you hear food ASMR in the background. I'll try to mute myself when I eat. Professional, I know. Yes, we also got the amazing Twitch emotes now. Very nice. Good luck, guys. Alrighty. Yo, get him, Julian. Yes. Indeed. This should be a pretty even match because, what's it called? They're both like 1k PP-ish. Yes, Carrot. Alright, I made a score between, thank god. Alrighty. Going in, Julian's a bit shaky. Aura is full comboing right now. Alright, going into the chorus. Aura seems to be taking a pretty good lead right now. 50,000 points and he's full combo. Oh, he breaks! Julian now holding a better combo. He can probably come back this. Alright. Alright, Julian has a bit to catch up, but he has the combo, so he can come back. Although he is sort of falling behind in the act category, but who cares? Julian breaks. Oh, that's not good. Aura is going to continue with his combo game. Alright. Now to the drop of the song. Aura holding good combo. Julian also... Oh, he breaks! I don't know if there's enough time even if Julian FCs till then. We'll see it though. This song's so good. Aura breaks again. Julian is holding combo. Will he do it? Oof. It's so close. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually close. What the fuck? Oh! Oh my god, the comeback. Oh, he breaks. He breaks. Oh, is that enough? Is that enough? I think it is. Oh my god. Oh, Julian with the comeback at the end. Oh! Wow, wow, wow. That was genuinely a really good comeback at the end. Wow. Julian winning his pick. Good job. Whew. Damn. Well played, well played. Damn. That was pretty close. Julian saved the combo to the end, and he came back. Well played. Ooh. Hard rock. Julian, you shouldn't have said you hate hard rock, and now he put something that you're not good at. Julian, weird champ move. Ooh. Finally a hard rock pick. Yeah, here we go. This will be interesting. We haven't had this map yet. Alrighty, good luck, guys. Yes, this is a very good song card. You are right. Alright, good luck, guys. We have not yet played this map, so I'm excited to see what happens. This map's pretty... Honestly, I don't remember how this map flows. Alright, here we go. What? Oh no, client! Oh okay, we're fine, okay, we're fine. Okay, here we go. On the hard rock pick. Aura using the chat to his advantage, knowing that Julian does not like hard rock, so let's see if Aura can use that, the mental game on him. And so far, yeah, it's pretty close, I guess. Let's go. Aura leading a little bit on Ack, but overall the combo game is good. Oh, Julian almost breaking on that slider. Oh god. First verse of the song. Ooh, I feel the tense. It's pretty tense, man. Damn, both players full comboing. Dude, these guys are doing better than the freaking 5 digits. Okay. Bruh. Alright, Aura. 2% higher Ack, but we're still not even halfway through the song, so, you know. I would say breaking at this point is a lot worse than the Ack. Oh, Julian breaking on the slider. That was a commentator's curse. Aura's holding really well right now. Yeah, it's full comboing. Verse 2. Alright. Not really sure what to commentate. The man's just FCing. These guys are gamers. These guys are just both FCing. Aura's about to get like an S rank accuracy at this point, so that's pretty good. Oh, Julian said rip. I really hope he's not I really hope he's not playing with the stream audio, because that'd be really distracting probably. Julian should not give up. Still anyone's game. Although Aura is full comboing still, and that is pretty insane performance by him. Ironically, the best play we've had so far. Aura FCing a map. Alright, so I don't think Joan's gonna come back, but Aura, will he full combo it? That's the question. Nearing the end. Join breaking again? I think Aura got the full combo! Yeah! Nice. Wow. Phenomenal. Very epic indeed. Oh, I didn't get the S rank. But that's still an FC. Alright, it is now 1-1. Damn. You think Riva score V2 would have been his top play? Wow. Damn, that was ironically the best play we've had so far. The 5 digits suck. All right. On to a more shorter map, but this map is probably one of the harder no mod picks or general star ratings. So we'll see what happens. I agree, Time. This song's pretty good. Alright, guys. Do we need to say what mods we want? I'm stupid! I forgot to change the mods. How do I make this free mod? I don't know! Oh, it's okay. Just can't. Can you guys select mods or no? Great. Okay, I don't even know. I don't think anyone's gonna go hidden anyways on this. This is a pretty hard map. Alright, good luck, guys. I'll fix it next match. I'll try. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Alright, next map. How many stars is this? 3.7. So yeah, this is one of the harder maps, I'd say. Wait. Oh, wait. Start. Okay, there we go. Jesus, I'm so bad. Okay. Map starting now. Let's go. I messed up the command. Alright. Definitely more combo game than act game in this map. Alright, here we go. Aura has a D on this. Oh. Let's see how Julian Vold on this. Both players, honestly. Or did shit miss in the beginning, but honestly, this map is so short that that could cost him, actually. Oh! Aura spinning a little bit too hard. Miss-aiming there. Julian FCing at the minute. Yeah, he's doing pretty good. Ooh, Aura is kind of dropping on this map. This is definitely more favorable to Julian, but although he does drop, I mean break. But he has a pretty good lead right now. 6% act difference, yeah. This is definitely looking more favored toward Julian, but we'll see. This map is short, so we'll see if we can get a comeback, or we can get a comeback here. But he does need to get 100k points, so we'll have to see. Ooh, or breaking again. Ooh. Both players breaking, but I think with Julian's early combo, I don't think Aura is gonna have enough time to come back. Unless... Oh no, there was not enough time. RIP. Alright. Julian getting his second point. We are now on to match point. Oh, RIP Aura. He was still nervous after Frozen. I mean, yeah, his FC was ridiculous. That is probably the best play we've had so far. Alright. Yo, crazy performance. Indeed, look at this accuracy, man. FM2. Okay. Oh, me and you. Yo, this is OWC flashbacks to Bubble Man. Will Aura be Bubble Man and clutch it out and cause tiebreaker? Who knows? Who knows? Wait, I'm stupid. Electric Angel. Oh my god, never mind. No OWC. There we go. Electric Angel. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Pepega. I want Hard Rock for this? Ooh. How the hell do I put Hard Rock? Oh my god. Wait, let me just look at how to make a free mods. I also want Hard Rock? Oh, okay, they both want Hard Rock then. I feel bad. I might have, this map... Oh, Julian knows his facts. AR7, he doesn't want it. Damn. Okay. True. Alright. Good luck, guys. I'll try to fix it next time. The free mods. Ironically. I should have put more time between the schedules because V-Tiger and Time Now's games might be a bit delayed, but you know, it's only by 10 minutes. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god, guys, feet. No way. Alright, match point. Aura has practiced this map before. He has, like, I think he, like, nearly FC'd it, so as long as Aura keeps his nerves in check, he has a pretty good chance of winning this, because he already practiced this. Alright, build up. Both players are FC'ing. Ooh, Julian almost breaking on a slider. Oh my god. Dude, I would love to see tiebreaker though, like, low-key. That map's very consistency based. Alright, Aura holding on FCing. Oh, they're both FCing, but Aura has much better act right now. But it's a long map, so, you know. It's just about the combo. In my opinion, at least. Is combo better or Ack in Scorpio 2? I don't know. I would say combo is better. Alright, this is Lens verse. We're approaching verse 2. Yeah, both players are FCing right now. Dude, these guys are unironically doing better than the 5 digits, I swear to god. Of the mix it too, yeah. Actually gaming. Ooh, glitch part. They're both FCing, but if they both end up FCing, then Aura's definitely gonna win with the ACK, but who knows? We'll see. This map doesn't have any pauses, or not that many, so this definitely looks... You gotta keep your nerves in check. Is there a pause coming up? Nope, no pauses. Yeah, this is near the end of the song. Electric Angel, cool stuff gaming. I know, right? Literally better than the 5 digits. It's even more interesting. Ooh, they're both FCing, but... Dude, Aura, ACK. Oh, Julian breaks! Oh, okay, that's the nail in the coffin. Yep, we're going to tiebreaker. Damn. We'll see, can Aura actually FC it this time, though? Because I know for a fact he did 1 X miss beforehand. Yep, tiebreaker. Tiebreaker. Dude, Aura popping off. He has like 2 FCs this entire match. Here we go, guys. Monka S. Getting jacket on. Hands cold. Wait, did you actually use mouse buttons, Joanne? Oh my god. Why? Why would you do that to yourself? Good luck, guys. Ooh, this is intense. Tiebreaker. Dude, these guys are both so nervous. Dude, you guys are insane. Go for it. Whew. And roll for good luck. Yo, Julian's roll. 93. These guys got this. Come on, let's go. Gaming. Long map, just general consistency. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm expecting a shit miss right in the beginning, though. I feel like someone's gonna accidentally break due to nerves, but I don't wanna jinx it. I'm sorry. I just had a feeling, man. Sorry. I should not say anything. Alright. It's a tactical miss? True. If you're FCing, you're gonna have more nerves, but if you have 1x miss, you know, you're gonna be like, oh, I should have FC'd. Giving Aura false hope. It's all part of his plan, yeah. Julian does break again. Aura is continuing to FC. Both players having 92 ACK, so definitely ACK is pretty even. Ooh, Aura breaks! And we are on to the first verse of the song. Ooh, Aura breaking. Julian coming back with a combo. Aura's flabbergasting. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, Aura is kinda pooping. Wait, he's not pooping, what? Oh, and Julian breaks. Okay, Julian has the lead for now. Ooh, this is close. Alright, the lead is like, the gap is like 20,000. Ooh, Aura drops so much ACK there. Wow, okay. It's time to regain some combo. Both players dropped a lot there. Damn. This is close, man. This is actually close. Like, I'm not saying that just because I'm commentating, like, that whole sequence was intense. Alright, verse 2. Oh, Aura breaking again. Dude, 1Ks are way interesting than, like 5K PP players, like, honestly. Ooh, Julian breaking. But Julian's ACK is pretty good, not gonna lie. 40,000 difference. Julian seems to be doing pretty good. Oh, Aura breaking too. Oh, Aura cannot afford those. Dude, Aura needs to hold a consistent combo if you want to, you know, bring this back. Oh no, Aura breaking on those buzz sliders. Julian is holding good combo. We're near the end of the map. I think Julian actually has this. Oh, but no, they both have 100 combo actually. But I think with this lead, I think Julian has won the set. On to the ending. Yeah, that is it. GG. Well played. Pog. Decent act recovery from Julian. Yeah, I agree. That miss. Oh, rip. GG, guys. And congratulations to Julian winning the set. I gotta put the ceremony victory for him. There we go. Julian is a gamer. He has won the set. Let's go. Good job, guys. Aura did amazing as well. That was such a close match. Thank you for at least making this like actually interesting comparing to like the 5 digits in my opinion. Yeah, that was so good. And Aura FC 2 of the maps. It's just tournament client. Are you kidding me? Again? Bruh, man. Okay. Yes, thank you for playing, guys. Thanks. Well played, guys. Rip, Aura didn't get to play the tiebreaker. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna kick, yeah. MP kick. Well played, guys. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream and restart the stream for the correct, VOD. Alright, the next match is now, V-Tiger versus Time now. GG, guys. I'm gonna restart the stream.